Introducing the 2026 Kia Ev4 EV4 Fastback Earth K3 LR, the ultimate eco-friendly sedan designed for comfort, style, and safety. With a sleek grey exterior and state-of-the-art features like cruise control, satellite navigation, and wireless charging, this vehicle ticks all the boxes. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. But that's not all. It also comes with an anti-corrosion warranty, self-driving capabilities, and over-air updates. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out. Call us now at Dooley Motors Carlow.